In this video, let us begin our SQL tutorial. SQL is a standard database language used to access and manipulate data in databases. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL was developed by IBM computer scientists in the 1970s. By executing queries, SQL can create, update, delete, and retrieve data in databases like MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, etc. Overall, SQL is a query language that communicates with databases. In this SQL tutorial, you will learn all basic to advanced concepts like SQL queries, SQL join, SQL injection, SQL insert, create tables in SQL. SQL is easy to learn. There are no prerequisites to learning SQL. What is database? Data is a new fuel of this world, but only data is unorganized information. So to organize that data, we make databases. A database is an organized collection of structured data, which is usually controlled by Database Management System (DBMS). Databases helps us with easy storing, accessing, and manipulating data held on a computer. Next, why to learn SQL? SQL is a useful skill for students and working professionals who want to become a good software engineers, especially those who work in software development domain. SQL is a most widely used language for storing and manipulating data in practically all application softwares including banking, finance, education, and society. SQL is simple to learn. If you are just starting to learn any programming language, it is highly recommended that you also study SQL and other databases principles in order to become a full software programmer. SQL is the first choice of any coder of variety of reasons because SQL is considered the industry standard for any relational database system. It serves as the standard database language used by all relational database management systems such as MySQL, MS Access, Oracle, Sybase, Informix, Postgres, and SQL Server. Also, software industry is using different dialects of SQL such as MS SQL Server using TSQL, Oracle using PL or SQL. MS Access version of SQL is called JET SQL, etc. In next video, let us begin with the SQL basics. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you.